Hi guys, welcome back with me again at the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a revolving text effect to your videos in CapCut PC. So here I've already added the video and you can easily find the revolving text effect on the video effect. So click on effect, then click on the body effects, and here you just need to scroll down until you find the glowing lines category. Okay, so this we can see a revolving text effect, so just download the effect first. After you download, just click on the plus icon to add it to your clips, adjust the length, and in here the effects will look like this. You can always adjust the color. I'm going to change into this yellow. Also adjust the filter, strength of the revolving text, and also the speed. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.